My name is Ynys Môn Williams, and I'm incredibly proud to be your Welsh Labour candidate at the next general election. Today we are confronted by a rapidly changing world where economic uncertainties, social inequalities and environmental threats cast a shadow over our prospects. We find ourselves at a crucial crossroads where the decisions we make will shape the future of Ynys Môn for years to come. In these uncertain times, we need someone who understands the unique nature and needs of our community, who will tirelessly champion our interests, and who will fight for the betterment of every single person on this island. I stand before you to offer myself as that candidate, committed to serving you, listening to your concerns, and advocating for the changes we so desperately need. As my name suggests, I'm from Anglesey, and I've carried the name of this island my whole life. Both of my parents and all of their parents were born and raised on Anglesey. I myself was baptised in St Cubby's Church and went to school in Ysgol Thomas Ellis. My mum's dad was a boilermaker in the Marine Yard, and my dad's father worked at Wilver, and if you go down to the old doctor's surgery in Holyhead, you'll see the name of my great-great-grandfather, William Fox Russell, and on the cenotaph next to it, his sons, John and Henry, who died in the First World War with Victoria and military crosses, respectively. Proud Anglesey people, as am I. My dad followed in their footsteps and served his country in the Royal Air Force for 36 years, while my mother served the community in the Girl Guides. As your Welsh Labour candidate, I bring a vision rooted in fairness, equality and progress. I believe that everyone should have access to social care, high quality employment opportunities and secure, affordable housing. I'm passionate about protecting our environment and combating the climate crisis, preserving the beauty of our island for future generations and maximising this island's potential as a hub of energy innovation. But I cannot do this alone. My campaign is not just about me, it's about all of us. It's about the power of community, where every voice is heard and every opinion matters. It's about putting what is past behind us and taking each other forward. It's about our collective commitment to building an island that we can all be proud of. I've seen the potential that lies within our people, just waiting for an opportunity to flourish. But political decisions and petty rivalries are only causing Anglesey to miss out on these opportunities. And I've seen it happen before my very eyes. I've made a career out of working collaboratively and across party lines, an approach we desperately need again on Ynys Môn. For as long as I can remember, I've witnessed the incredible resilience and spirit of our community, staying strong through thick and thin, even after seeing hopes dashed. At the heart of it all lies a government that has stood idly by, pushing us to our limits and back again, and to this I say no more. No more artist impressions of what could have been on Anglesey, no more broken promises, no more failed expectations, no more. Humbly, I ask for your support. Together we can rise above the challenges we face. We can make a path to prosperity and plenty for Ynys Môn. Let us write a new chapter in our island's history, one marked by compassion, opportunity and genuine progress. Let us embark on this